All set and ready to race, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Prime Rate by the rail, moving up on the outside, Sugar Glaze and Flawless Fargo. Moving up in between horses, Major, and Midnight Myth is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch is still Prime Rate by 2.5 lengths, followed by Major, and Sugar Glaze on the outside. Entry number 5, Fargo, Flawless, and Midnight Myth. Nearing the far turn, it's still Prime Rate by half a length, Major by the rail in second, and Sugar Glaze on the outside in third, Fargo, Midnight Myth, and Flawless. Rounding the far turn, it is still the outstanding favorite. Entry number 1, Prime Rate, leading the field by half a length, followed by Sugar Glaze on the outside in second, Major remains in third, Midnight Myth. And the last bend for home, it is still Prime Rate in the lead, followed by Sugar Glaze on the outside, Midnight Myth on the farther outside, and Flawless moving up on the inside. But it's still entry number 1, Prime Rate, leading the field, followed by Sugar Glaze on the outside, and Midnight Myth. It's Prime Rate by the rail, Sugar Glaze on the outside, Prime Rate by the rail, Sugar Glaze on the outside, Prime Rate and Sugar Glaze. Finally, it's Prime Rate, Sugar Glaze, Midnight Myth settled for third. Number 2, Flawless, Fargo, and Major.